happy. This is her wedding. Oh, see? She sent you lots of kisses from Bali.
I will tell me, what do you think about snow?
Snow?
Yes.
Interesting with the color.
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Did you ever saw the Black Swan? Here we go. Black Swan. In Poland we have a lot of swans, but they are white. This one is black. I will show you. Yeah, and today's vlog will be about wedding. Oh, he's trying already to approach me. He's chasing me. God damn. Show you guys. Yes. I know. We have swans in Poland, but not black one.
Alright, so it's super hot today. I would say it's super duper hot actually. Well, before we plan to attend a wedding, before we just thinking that to go to the wedding party of my best friend. But when we arrived there, my friend still have another ceremony, so they are not there. Maybe later, after we have a coffee and we have a small lunch, we will go there to see the Balinese wedding. Whew, super hot. Let's have a coffee. What the hell is it?
Chicken quesadilla?
Ya. Dia mau kesini ya?
Nggak bisa naik.
Oh.
Don't be scared.
Oh my god.
Non-aggressive.
Well, alright. If I talk about wedding, so as you see, like we planned before to go to Balinese wedding. The part of ceremonies, actually there are many ceremonies, starting from early in the morning until in the afternoon. So yeah, going to the bride's house and going to the groom's house and the ceremony. So it's so complicated actually, that Balinese Hindu's wedding. I just text my friend and then I asked that what time that she arrived home or something after lots of ceremonies. She must be busy, but later, yes, we will come to her house.
Alright, so as Winnie said, today we're gonna attend the Balinese wedding. However, I'm not really sure what time. However, today Winnie is eating quesadillas, and we are in the some place in Renon. Never been here. Actually, we just come because they have a name of the Black Swan. Well, and I actually saw the Black Swan. Even he's trying to catch me. Chase me. Oh jeez, he's still next to me actually, I didn't notice. Yeah, so yeah, we'll see how's the day today. I don't know. It's already 2-3 o'clock and from the morning we're trying to attend the wedding. One thing, this is very normal thing in Bali. I learn a lot of patience in Bali. Especially when Winnie started introducing me to her friends long time ago, and we was have an appointment, and let's say at 2 o'clock finally we arrived before 2, and these people come 2-3 hours later and it's nothing really happened. So this is the Balinese kinda.
You should understand that we have a rubber time. It's called jam karet, you know. You have appointment around 2, But you come around 4 or 5, it's just like
Yeah, and this is
kapan.
kapan. Everybody who is from Bali, Indonesia, you know what does it mean. The people who don't know what does it mean, you are still lucky as the meeting gonna be at the same day. Because once, I gotta tell you the quick story. Once I was waiting for the AC air condition service guy. He should come to clean the aircon. Appointment was at 12 o'clock, and I was sitting at home full entire day till 7 o'clock. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't eat anything, and he just doesn't arrive at this day. Could you imagine that? Come on, have time. Maybe tomorrow or next week. What's the matter? Right?
Yeah, this is how it is. Kapan, yeah?
Kapan.
Rubber time. Jam karet.
Yeah, still lucky guys as I upload the video every day at 7 p.m. because in the kapan style will be like, you know, you never know. You don't know the time or the day. Alright, I hope to see you at the wedding after that.
Alright, so now we are arriving in the wedding party, Balinese wedding party. So this is the situation. Let's go inside and see how it is.
We arrive, and this is the entrance to the wedding house. Well, this is the husband house. However, entrance is always like this with the very fancy gate, and this is the area, a very local area in Denpasar. So yeah, let's see. Let's go. This is very unique. Nobody gonna show you on YouTube. Only Mr. Monkey and Mrs. Monkey is gonna show you that. Well, some people, but we're gonna show you in different perspective, the real perspective. So sweet.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bisa bahasa, Damian?
Sedikit aja.
Pakai bahasa aja ya?
Pwede.
Oke, good.
But I prefer English. Okay?
Udah makan tadi?
Bisa
nyawa.
Well, actually that the last time I met her around 4 years ago, and now she got married. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So we spoke with the lovely couple. What's the names actually? I forgot again.
She's Judith, my very old best friend. And then she said that actually that she's in relationship for 4 years. She didn't told me, and then when she got married, then she just gave me invitation.
Secrets.
And then the lovely man.
This guy.
Actually, he lives in Germany.
For 23 years in the Frankfurt. Could you imagine that? He said that he speaks just a little bit of German and even a little bit of Polish because of lots of Polish people in Germany. Maybe he's gonna say something to you. Quite a lot of people watching us from Germany. So maybe would you like to say something?
Alles klar.
Alles klar. This is even I know what does it mean. Right.
See, now she needs to learn how to speak German, because after this ceremony she will leave to German.
You gonna live in Germany?
I think so. I
I'm
think
not
so.
Ask him.
He said, just wait and see. But I believe she will.
Sure, well.
Like you move from Poland and then live in Bali, you know?
Yeah, well, what I can say, so that's how it looks. And this is the inside the Balinese house. Lovely people, good vibes, and yeah, we will see. I will try to make some few more jokes to make everybody laugh, you know. But this guy is all the time laughing, actually, very happy. Smiling. Yeah, it's good. Smiling, and this is lovely people.
See? They are happy. This is her wedding. Oh, see? She sent you lots of kisses from Bali.
Tell me, what do you think about snow?
Snow.
Yes.
I interesting with the color.
Previously he said that he don't need to buy the ice for the drink, now he's interested about the color. So, cool, good advice.
You just need to put the sugar. You don't need to buy ice. It's free for everybody.
Cool, cool, cool.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kira?
Itu kayaknya nggak artis lah ya.
Artis ya.
Ini aja acara.
Oh iya, yang ini semua.
Enjoy ya, biar banyak.
Alright, so basically that's how it looks inside the Balinese wedding. This lovely
Groom actually that
groom.
wear this special crown. This is like Balinese tradition, but yeah, this is still simpler, much simpler than normally. But you know, normally much higher than this. So beautiful, right?
And yeah, and that's how it looks inside the Balinese house. Over there is the big temple. Yeah, what should I say? I will come back. It's a little bit different than in the Western cultures, as you probably already know. If not, you can see now. So basically the people coming all day long and at the house and eating, drinking, but not really alcohol. Don't take me wrong, okay? However, eating quite a lot and chilling, gathering together. Not in the Western countries, as you have a big party like at night time in the big restaurant, bar, or any other places. It's completely different. I'll show you a little bit around. Yeah. Yeah, basically looks like this. By the way, arak now is legal in Bali if you're interested about that. Alright, so basically that's how it looks inside the Balinese wedding, the normal Balinese wedding, which is super cool and super different than in the Western cultures. You have to agree with that.
Alright, so I think that's all our video today about how Balinese wedding inside. And thank you guys for already watching how it is.
Today's a little bit different, however I hope so you enjoyed, and
And thank you so much and see you tomorrow.
see you tomorrow. See ya guys, take care.